Hello, foodies. Let's embark on this journey to create something truly delicious. Today, I'm giving a quick update on progress on making a food app for scouting yummy food in London. So, previously, we had some basic foundations of a web app working, but there's more room for growth, really. I'm not really a software developer by training, so this is my journey of building something big and bringing my perspective from a different background. I'm from a health background, but that's a story for another day. So we knew that there are other rooms for improvement, like user interface and missing features and performance, which we'll cover on this update. So our first hurdle was thinking about grouping or clustering groups. We have like 400 over points, and it was a real mess. And after hours of looking up tutorials and online stuff, we found a solution that not only looked better, but also had pretty decent performance. So after that, since I need to speed up my code development, I started experimenting with Gemini Code Assist. So it's like a coding assistant, and this tool has become an invaluable asset, streamlining the workflows and suggesting clever solutions that might not have overlooked. So it's pretty easy to set up, and it works in 3 steps. Number 1, install the Cloud Code VS Code plugin. 2, it needs to be linked up to a Google Cloud project. And 3, you can already start the code generation from there. After that, we also worked on the backend. So here behind the scenes, I was on a cleanup mission, and I was refactoring code, removing unnecessary packages, streamlining the APIs to our app. So we managed to reduce our deployment size by actually 2/3. What a victory for efficiency. Yeah, well, next up, we have Heatmaps. We wanted to visualize things like ratings and pricing over the map. So after experimenting with a few different calculation methods and visualizations, we found kind of a nice tweak and perfect balance to provide valuable insights. And lastly, we did a bit of UI UX improvements just to polish a bit of the user experience. I think there will be a lot more changes in time to go, but this is what we are working with at the moment. Yeah, and here is the final project. It's a foodie app that is somewhat visually appealing. Some features like clustering and heat map. I did decide to drop the clustering aspect of things. That's due to some technical issues where the layers can't be displayed over the marker layers in the JavaScript library, but we might work something out around that if this is an important feature. So this is still very early in the journey. We are embracing the early challenges, starting to use powerful tools like Gemini, and iterating constantly to make a really nice product. We need to speak to more foodies in the scene, and yeah, so thanks for joining me on this coding adventure. Please share your thoughts, experiences, maybe your projects, and just stay tuned for more sort of dev stories from me. Cheers, bye bye.